In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Evernote online. Evernote is a powerful tool that allows you to organize your notes and thoughts in one convenient place. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves keeping things in order, accessing Evernote online is incredibly simple, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. To get started, you'll want to visit the Evernote web login page. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL bar www.evernote.com/login.action. Hit enter, and this will take you directly to the login page for Evernote. This is where you begin your journey, and it's as easy as pie. Now that you're on the login page, it's time to sign in. If you've already got an Evernote account, go ahead and enter your credentials. This means typing in the email address associated with your Evernote account, followed by your password. Make sure you enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. If you're someone who likes to keep things streamlined and you're using a Google account, Evernote offers a convenient sign-in option for you too. Simply click on Continue with Google, and you'll be able to access your Evernote dashboard using your Google credentials. This is perfect for those of us who prefer not to remember multiple passwords. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll be taken directly to your Evernote dashboard. Take a deep breath. You're here and ready to go. Your dashboard is your central hub, a space where you can view all your existing notes, create new ones, and organize your thoughts the way you like. Whether you're capturing ideas, planning projects, or archiving information, your dashboard offers all the tools you need to manage your notes efficiently. Navigate through your notes using the options available. You can search for specific notes, tag them for easier access, or sort them into notebooks to keep everything neat and tidy. If you're just getting started with Evernote, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its features. Creating a new note is simple. Just look for the New Note button and begin typing away. Organizing your notes into notebooks can also help keep similar topics or projects grouped together, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. And there you have it. Accessing Evernote online is a straightforward process that opens up a world of organization at your fingertips. Whether you're checking in on your notes or jumping into new projects, Evernote's user-friendly interface makes it all feel like second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and happy note-taking.